In this video, I will show you how to get the count of working days between two dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some start and end dates in these columns. Now I want to count the working days between these two dates. For example, for the first row, working days between Friday 19th July and Monday 22nd July will be 2 by excluding Saturday and Sunday. Similarly, for the second row, the count of working days between Saturday 28th July and Monday 22nd July will be 1. We can use the net workday function to calculate working days or business days between two dates. The net workday function returns the number of working days between two dates. This function accepts three arguments: a start date, an end date, and an optional holiday list. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type net workdays followed by an opening bracket. Select the start date as the first argument, type a comma, and then select the end date as the second argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the count of working days between two dates. By default, the net workday function considers Saturday and Sunday as weekends and thus excludes them from the count of working days. However, it does not exclude public holidays. To exclude public holidays from the count of working days, we can provide the third optional holidays argument to the net workday function. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have defined a list of public holidays in this column. Now let's modify the formula and provide this cell range as holidays so that these holidays are excluded from the working day calculation. Also, let's make the holiday range reference absolute using the dollar signs so that when we copy the formula to other cells, it does not change. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, the public holidays are now excluded from the count of business days. The count of working days between 28th and 22nd of July is calculated as 0 because the 20th and 21st of July are weekends and we specified the 22nd of July as a public holiday. Similarly, for the last row, the working day count is 2. That is because we specified Friday 26th July as a public holiday in the list. The net workday function by default excluded Saturday 27th July and Sunday 28th July. So the only working days remaining are 25th and 29th of July. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.